Ashish, and in this video we will doing the unboxing of the Strontium 32 GB SD card. Actually this is a replacement unit sent by the company itself, and as it comes with a lifetime warranty. So the previous one which I was having was corrupted, so I have replaced that through the service center. I have sent this item from to the Delhi, and they send me a new replacement one. So in this envelope, as you can see the Strontium brand over here. So it was sent through the speed post, which is the Indian speed post. And let's try to open this and see what we are getting inside it, the envelope. So as I think this is a pen. Yeah, this is a Strontium pen which they have sent. So that's a unique thing that we are getting pen inside the envelope with micro SD card. So that's a nice thing done by the Strontium. Literally no other company do this, so that's a nice thing. And let's see to the memory card. And this is a memory card which is 32 GB. As you can see, this is a class 10, so speed will be a good one with this SD card. And the MRP which is quoted on the box is about no MRP is quoted on the box, as it is a replacement unit. And this says some specifications, that is super high performance, 100% tested. So this is a made in Taiwan product, not in made in India, because most of the memory cards and pen drives are made outside India. So this is 32 GB memory card, class 10. So nice thing done by Strontium, and the service is also very good. They are very responsive, and when you call them, totally hats off to the Strontium guys. You are doing very good business in India, and also the pricing of this memory cards are lesser than other like Samsung and SanDisk companies. So overall my experience was with Strontium was very good, and I definitely try to recommend this product to you because it comes with lifetime warranty, and anytime if it damages you can replace it through the service center. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big like, big thumbs up. If you have any doubt, just mention in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed our channel for more updates like this, just subscribe it right now. Just hit that subscribe button. This is Ashish signing off. Thank you for now. Goodbye.